So I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable the tap to wake screen on your Pixel 8. This works on both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. So you might have seen that I just tapped the screen to see the lock screen, or basically to wake the screen so that I can check my phone and see some information on the phone. So to enable or disable this, go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display, tap on that. Under display, go to lock screen, tap on that. And then you should see when you scroll under when to show, tap to check phone. And as you can see, it's currently on. And that's why I'm able to just tap the screen to wake up the screen and check my phone. Now, if you tap on this and then turn that off, because that's how to turn it off. Now, when you tap the screen, nothing happens because we've now disabled the tap to wake screen feature. Okay, you have to press the side key to wake up the screen, but as long as it's on, all you have to do is just tap on the screen once, and that's going to wake up the screen and you can be able to check your phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.